Hi guys, thanks for joining us for another unbox. Today we've got the LawMate RC300. So you may have noticed we've been doing a few LawMate products. Stay tuned because we've got a ton more coming. Let's go ahead, open up the RC300 and I'll show you what it's all about. So this is one of the newer products they've just released. This is a full HD stick cam. So essentially it's about the size of a lighter. I'll pull it out and you guys can have a look at it. So that is it just there. Also in the box you get a couple of different clips. So you get like a pocket clip, so you can clip on the front of it. You also get a handy dandy little belt clip if you want to put it on your belt. As with all our other LawMate products, the 16 gig micro SD card comes included with it. And underneath the filler in the box we have a instruction book and a charging cable. This little unit's pretty easy to get set up and all the rest of it, guys. It's literally one button, so you literally hold down the on-off button on top of the unit and it pretty much takes care of itself. The only other buttons you've got on there are a photo or a record button, and on the other side you get to change your resolution. So it's a pretty simple little unit, quite a good little viewing angle on it, and full HD at 30 frames, so you're going to get some really good footage out of it. Join us on the next one. I'll show you how all the little bits clip on and off, and we'll give you a little demo of what it can do. So stay tuned guys, make sure you click on the next video and get an in-depth look at it. See you on the next one.